Kani gadai ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani gadai ka kanhun jong ka Aroha Junior Choir, ka kanhun ka bala job dangshen, ha ka ransan Yakob jong ka Slangosland International Musical Eisteddfod Hari Wales, ka bala yo raya ka nam ha ka kerdan benengkong, ha ka Junior Yakob ha ka category International A Cappella. Hadin bakani ka kanhun kalawan payeng mentala sitiyo tam, Negasi ka arpulai tarik unaitung kani ka kanhon hapo ka jingalam jong ikong Pauline Wardry rengkat ka jingsenran lang ukurim jong i uba Barkos Wardry bat ki kimi ki pa jong kinong ruai kila le ya kendo yo menteri rang ba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma ha ka kamra trai kam jong u ha secretariat ban ai khublai kerpang yo u bat ban ya samlem bat u halor ka jingshem jong kani ka kanhon ha kani ka jing Yakob. Nakaliang ka kanhon Aroha Junior Choir kala airu da kijing ais ngubha ban pensa kan mau yo Konrad ke sangma bat kidur gibagani ka kanhon kala Sean Hari Wales. Hagani ka jing kendo nakaliang ikong Pauline Wardry ilaya samru halor shibun kijing shem jong i Hari Wales bat London. Bat ila ai jing murru ban pentrai kam hagani ka jela ban kentieu ya ka kam jungok kai pertai. Nalor kani ikong Pauline Wardry ila banjurru halor ke jingdon kam ke jela bandon no da ke jaka puli ke bapura na ke benta ki badon sap hakarwai bat katem kenang ba onla ban penlong ya karwai bat katem ke put kum kawai na ki jing puli ke ba hakmat ke ban kuntup lang bat ki wei de ki jing puli.
And I want to congratulate each and every one of you for the for your performance and what you've done to make our state proud. And I think there'll be many more things that will come ahead, and I'm sure that you will shine in many other ways also. So I also take this opportunity to wish you all the very best in the future. So continue working. It's not about just the singing. It's not about just, it's about you as an individual. There's so many things, as ma'am was mentioning. There's so many things you must have learned. It's an exposure, it's an opportunity for you. So I hope you have learned a lot, and I'm sure you'll much more in the times to come. So I wish you the very best also.
Thank you so much. So maybe we'd like to share, I have another copy, but maybe you'd like to have a look. Now, what Shillong can do is to combine it with tourism. This little village has just about 3,000 something visitors, but in this festival there are 50,000 visitors every year.